Let's make a Halloween cocoa bomb, starting with tinting our chocolate with our Elite collection, not Master Elites. Elite colors are historically known as petal dust, but they are also fat soluble and they can be painted as well, which is mainly what we use them for. But if you'll pick the deeper tones that we offer, they can color small amounts of chocolate and you will achieve beautiful pastel to medium tones. Now for this cocoa bomb, I wanted more of a blue pink, so I added a little bit, a tiny amount of Mona Lisa because it is a very vibrant purple on its own. But just look at that gorgeous purpley pink. That's exactly what I was looking for. And here is a side-by-side comparison of hot pink and hot pink with a little bit of Mona Lisa. Now, I really like to use silicone molds for my cocoa bombs. It's just a little easier on me to pop out that chocolate shell. And I'm usually successful, but when I'm not, I just grab Ed the Cake Guy and voila, shiny shell. Yeah, Ed had to help me here. My first shell was not this pretty. So yeah, anyways, let's glitter up some skeleton fondant pieces for a little bit of decoration. I'm using Color Solution and Black Diamond Edible Glitter. These two products together, the glitter will stick with that amazing color solution. And just look at that shine. And that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and happy Halloween.